Bring your own device, take what?
Oftentimes, organizations are looking for their assistance in companies that have gone down this path and helped other organizations design and develop their mobile policy and their mobile strategy. That includes mobile device management solutions, and that includes kind of a comprehensive view of providing not just one piece of the puzzle, but a broad array of what they can do at a strategic level with mobility.
The BYOD strategy impact on the environment really can vary from fairly minor changes to the environment to very strategic changes requiring core infrastructure upgrades. So a lot of that is covered within the first analysis levels discussions to understand what the customer's needs and desires are and what their ultimate goals are.
Third-party organizations, service providers really need to help organizations understand that while they may be knocking at the door today and asking for a mobile device management solution, they need to think more broadly about their mobility strategy and recognize that they're ultimately going to need other services, application services, integration services potentially, and assistance maybe across the board with the roadmaps for their organization.
So the complexity for BYOD implementations can run the gamut. There can be very simple requirements and very straightforward implementation, all the way to the highest level of security. This is including government agencies, or down to smaller organizations where they just need basic access for their users.
The suite of mobile law services that we offer is the mobility assessment, to come in and just talk and start trying to figure out what it is you need and what you're trying to accomplish. We take it from an agnostic point of view to understand what your needs are, to try and do the best fit tool for you to be using from an MDM perspective. There are different types of implementations. There are cloud implementations. There are on-premise implementations. There's also some hybrid type of implementations which cover laptops and PCs as well as mobile devices, and we can help with the rollout and the installation of all of those components. Help you with the networking pieces and help you with installation on those as well. And if you're doing a large implementation where you may be buying, let's say, 500 iPads as an example, we can do all the pre-configuration for those devices for you, preload them via an MDM tool so that when you get it, it's already all set, it's ready to go right out of the box.
Really, when a customer comes to this organization and looks at our portfolio and looks at your organization, it's a win for the customer. The customer is going to get all of the solutions and all the questions they have answered. They're going to be able to come here and get whatever their needs are. It's not like they're putting the pieces together and they've got to go over here to find this piece and that piece. I mean, they're going to come to HP, then they come to our great partners to work.
So we really do start with the strategy, understanding what the customer's strategy is, and taking it from that point and moving it on through to the next level of understanding how they can take that to the actual implementation side.